customization on this product. Different customer requirements. And this product can also provide a few benefits to the ISP customers. And the first one is flexible deployment. As here you can see in the box, we have 3 slots. And these 2 are for OLT modules. And this one is for UIDFA module. Okay, the UIDFA module is normally for the ISPs who provide the internet service and the cable TV service simultaneously. And of course, most of the ISP maybe don't need this one. It is also okay. We can remove this one and add another OLT module here. So that means maximally this device can support up to 3 OLT modules here. So totally 24 GPON ports. So it can connect to more than 3,000 home users under one device. Okay, in one POP site. And also if customer only need one OLT here, also okay. So it can also support different density of the residential areas, like the low density, middle density, and also high density. So very flexible solution for customer. Okay. The second one, a very important feature of this product is internal optional battery backup. And here you can see we have space here. This is for the battery. Because in some countries like in South Africa or Southeast Asia, like the country in Indonesia, the power supply is not so stable, especially in the remote place. And normally, maybe every day, the power supply will be down for 4 to 6 times during one day. So it will cause very bad experience. So here we have a solution with the battery. 2 hours for the battery backup. And the backup time is normally depends on the specification of the battery. And for the battery, normally we suggest the customer to purchase from the local market because it is very difficult and expensive with international shipping from China. The next benefit for this one is the cooling system and the heating system. As you can see here, on the top of the roof, we have an electric fan. And also here, on the bottom, we have the inlet hose for the air. So this is for the air ventilation, because in this device we have a few OLT modules and UIDFA modules working together, working at the same time. So the temperature inside may be a little higher. And another very important feature of the cooling system is that when the temperature reach 50 degrees centigrade, the electric fan will start to work automatically. And when the temperature is below 50, it will stop to work. So this is based on the inside temperature. In this way, it can save a lot of electric power, and also it will extend the service life of the cooling system. And for some very cold countries like Russia, we can also install electric heater here. So when the temperature reaches -4 centigrade or below this, the heater will start to work automatically. And when the temperature is higher than -4, it will stop to work. Okay, so this system is just to make sure the inside temperature is in the proper range. Okay, and the next one is about the security design and the rainproof design. For security, normally this device is deployed very close to the residential area. So so the safety problem is not very serious because it is very close to the residential. And also for this one, integrated with alarm bell here. So when someone is opening the door, the alarm bell will start to ring. Also on the software platform, we designed the online alarm system. So when someone is opening the door, or the engineer in the POP sites can know the situation. Okay, and also here we have another optional OU inside. This is optional. So it is with the PoE lamp ports, so it can connect to the IP cameras outside of the box. So this is to make sure the device will be always under monitoring, even in a remote place. Okay, and for other features, we have the ODF modules here, and we have 4 slots here. For example, for each one, we can use the splitting ratio like 1:4 or 1:8. This is enough for the internal first layer splitting. So we can plug 4 modules here totally. And also for the input fiber cables and output fiber cables, we have the management trees here. So it will make the management of the fiber cables very easier for the ISP, and also to keep the box inside very neat and tidy. Okay, and finally, this product is very easy for deployment and installation because this device normally deploy very close to the residential areas, so maybe 1 or 2 kilometers. So we can use the maximum splitting ratio like 1:128, and so that means for ISP they can connect more home users under one OLT. Because as we all know, for the indoor OLTs deployed in the POP sites, traditional POP sites, normally the distance from the home users is far, like 5 to 10 kilometers. So they can only choose to use the splitting ratio like 1:64. So by this solution, we can save a lot of resources and a lot of additional costs for the ISP customer. And also to make this box very easy for installation, we designed 2 handles here and also here. Yeah, so it will be very easy for the installer to mount it to the pole. Okay, this is all about this device. Thank you very much.